Take a look at these two screens. On the left is the standard bank alert you've trusted for a decade. On the right is a synthetic identity tool that can perfectly clone a voice using 3 seconds of public audio. Fraud has evolved from individual attempts at social engineering to automated programs that identify and exploit account vulnerabilities at an industrial scale. This data visualization shows exactly how widespread this anxiety has become. Recent industry data reveals that 37% of households are actively worried about the safety of their bank deposits right now. Standard voice verification systems were built for a time before high-fidelity cloning. Today, relying on those factory settings creates a vulnerability that scammers are actively targeting with these new tools. To protect your assets, we will build a 3-tier security framework. We'll set up behavioral barriers, upgrade authentication, and install a daily kill switch. These 3 layers operate as a single system. If an attacker breaches one, the next tier stops them cold. Passive reliance on your bank is no longer an option. Securing your wealth today requires active reconfiguration of your financial apps. Here is exactly how to do it. Step 1 is activating Tier 1. Modern banking apps are now designed to track user behavior in real time to detect if you are being coerced by a scammer over the phone. Behavioral biometric software analyzes the pressure of your screen taps, the rhythm of your typing, and whether you are rapidly switching between the banking app and an active phone call. If the app suddenly freezes or interrupts you during a transfer, it is an intentional security mechanism firing off. This UI mockup shows exactly what that looks like. If you attempt to move money and see a prompt asking, "Are you currently on a phone call with someone instructing you to do this?" pay attention. If this specific warning appears, you must follow a strict protocol. Immediately cancel the transaction and hang up the phone. Do not explain yourself to the person on the line. Just disconnect. These forced friction points are your frontline defense. They are designed to break the psychological momentum of live social engineering attacks. Next, we secure Tier 2, which requires abandoning the use of SMS text messages for 2-factor authentication. Automated attacks often rely on SIM swapping. This is when a scammer tricks your mobile carrier into transferring your phone number to their device. The moment these succeed, every security code your bank texts to you goes directly to the attacker instead. To fix this, open your banking app, tap your profile, navigate to Settings and Privacy, select Security, and tap 2-factor authentication. In that menu, switch your primary method from text message to Authenticator app and link it to a standalone tool like Google Authenticator or Authy. By tying your security codes to a specific physical app on your device rather than a phone number, you sever the connection between your mobile carrier and your bank account. Upgrading this setting closes the primary backdoor that algorithms use to bypass your passwords once they've scraped your personal data. The final layer is Tier 3. To neutralize stolen data, you must adopt a default locked strategy for all of your daily spending cards. Go to the card management section of your banking app, find the lock card or freeze card feature, and turn it on right now. Keeping your cards frozen sounds inconvenient, but this shows the reality. It takes exactly 3 seconds to unlock a card while standing at the register. The workflow is simple. Open the app in line, toggle the card on, tap the payment terminal, and toggle it back off as you walk away. If a machine scrapes your card number from an online database, a default locked card instantly declines the transaction. This minor daily habit stops automated mass purchases before they happen, saving you weeks of stressful recovery calls with fraud departments. With the system built, there is one final fail-safe task required: to give you complete visibility over your accounts. Navigate to your bank's notification settings and set up push alerts for all transactions with a threshold of exactly 1 penny. Attackers rarely drain an account on the first try. They initiate automated probing attacks, tiny microtransactions of a few cents, to test if a stolen card is active. An alert set at 1 penny acts as an early warning radar, letting you shut down the card before the actual theft occurs. These systems are constantly testing our defenses. Drop the most convincing scam text or AI voice call you've received in the comments below, so we can build a collective threat board for the community. The financial landscape is heavily automated. Moving from a passive reliance on bank defaults to this active 3-tier framework is the most effective way to secure your assets against modern threats.